Good morning everybody. Again we have another video regarding the roundabout. Now we are going to make roundabout straight. As you see here, we have a traffic sign 250 meters between this traffic sign and the roundabout. That means be careful, roundabout ahead. We can go straight from all lanes here in the roundabout, from the right lane, from the middle, or from the extremely left. But please be careful. When you reach roundabout, slow down, give way to all vehicles coming from the left, and respect the position. You enter from the right lane. You have to drive. Go ahead, Miss Namita. From right lane, drive in and the right lane. Then before the exit, put indicator right and check your right. Then exit from where? Right lane. Very good. Exit from right lane. This is a roundabout straight from right lane. Change your lane, please. Center mirror. Left side mirror. Shoulder indicator. All the time I'm repeating how to change your lane. We have to respect the rules how to change the lane, please, especially the beginners. There is a roundabout ahead. There is the first warning sign, roundabout ahead. The second one, change your lane please to the extremely left. This is the second one, means follow the direction of the roundabout. Then here, give way to all vehicles coming from the left. Check your left, nobody there, go. U-turn? U-turn, please. And the roundabout, maximum of speed is 40. You have to respect the speed of roundabout. 40 or less depend of the traffic, depend of the roundabout. You can reduce the speed. Indicator right. Exit from the same lane. Respect the lane from the one you enter, from the one you exit. Then after that, you have to come back to the right lane accordingly, respecting the lanes and respecting the mirrors. Check the mirrors. Close the indicator. Go ahead. As a beginner, as everyone knows, international rule, we have to come back to the right because we are students and the beginner. This is the right lane is more safe for me as a student and the beginner. You can drive in the right lane while you are going straight. So thank you very much. If you like the video, make like and subscribe. Bye bye.